G'day, Steve here, Woodworking Masterclass. This is just a very short video of a job that I did the other day. It's not even the complete job, but the tap and die set I spoke about a couple of videos ago. I'm now doing some metal work, which I'm incorporating into woodwork, and cutting taps is fine because I could use the drill press for that, but I want to get accurate threads cut on bolts, so that's using the dies. So what I wanted to do was make a die holder that I could put on to the metal lathe and cut accurate dies. But for that I needed a 1.5 inch, 1 3/4 inch round piece of aluminium stock, and there wasn't any stockists nearby where I live, so I thought I'd make one. I didn't include the whole video of how I melted it. If there's any interest, I'm happy to do it again and I'll show you the entire process. But what I did was had some aluminium horseshoes and I melted those down and found a mould out of an old bed frame and cast this piece of aluminium. The other thing is, when I was buying the aluminium, smallest length I could get, tongue-tied there, was 600 mil or 2 feet, and I only needed that much. So here's a little bit of that project to give you an idea of what I'm up to in the metal shop, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. That's a billet of aluminium, and what I did, I've just got an bit of an old tubular bed frame, cut it up to the length I wanted the billet, put some bedding sand on a board, put the tube, actually that's not too bad, put the tube on the bedding sand and then just poured straight from the crucible into that. That was about half an hour ago, so it's cooled down a bit. Yeah, it's just a bit warm. I'll just throw it in a bucket of water out here in the smithy. I don't know if it's true or not, but I reckon if you've got skin complaints, stick it in a blacksmith's bucket. And because of all the iron and everything in there. I don't know, might be an old wives' tale. Right, don't need that anymore. Just pop that in there. Well, don't even know if I need a drift. No, don't even need a drift. That's coming out alright. In that case we might do away with the soft jaws and we'll put it. I've got an offset machinery vise next door, but this should do me. Oh. And here it comes. Where's the punch? See that? Nearly all out. Right. So a couple of hours ago, that was aluminium horseshoes. Now it's a billet that I can do something with. Quite a nice pour. Doesn't seem to have many holes in it. I might just go over to the power hacksaw and cut that end off there. So we might just do that. As you can see, just by that, it's a good pour. There's no pockets or inclusions or anything in there. I don't know what grade horseshoes are, but it seems quite nice. and that is the die cutting holder. It's got a 1/2 inch shaft which goes into a drill chuck that I can mount on the lathe or a drill press, and the dies fit in there and are locked in place. Good fit, isn't it? By these 2 screws here that fit into these little depressions there. And they're at 90 degrees apart. And it goes, screw it up, and you're ready to cut threads. So that was that. I do have another one to make, and I think I might film the entire process and take you through actually melting the horseshoes down and turning it and drilling it and tapping it and then using it. So till then, this is Steve pulling the shed door down, saying remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it safe. Look after yourself, be kind to each other, and I look forward to having your company in one of the workshops, at one of the workbenches, very, very soon. Till then, God bless. Catch you all later on. Bye for now.